Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. The gates are down. Got a train coming. Got a Norfolk Southern train coming. This is the same one. Let's check it out. No, it's GP38. I'm sorry, GP38. Pair of GP38s and a GP40, actually. Never seen a PMRX hopper before right there.
23.
What was it?
23.
Yeah, it's 23 cars that mix freight.
And then 3 engines.
And there's 3 engines, yeah.
So technically 26, but whatever.
I knew there's gotta be at least 9 grain hoppers or 9. I think there's got to be at least like a 10 engine, 10 freight cars are heading to Titusville. There'll be 9 grain hoppers and a tanker. A couple of BNSF grain hoppers almost towards the end, and a BN hopper. The BN hopper's green, or 2. There's the end. There's the end of Norfolk Southern C29. Up go the gates. That gate went up, was almost lost the railroad crossing sign almost. The C29 originates to Sharon, Pennsylvania, heads east to Meadville, Pennsylvania, where it terminates. All on this Tuesday, October 25th, 2022, from Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Alright, that's going to be it. We'll be back on. Talk to you later.